In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HomeBank. We'll start by opening the HomeBank desktop application on your computer. When it launches, you'll likely see a clean welcome screen or your most recent file. If a sample file is available, it's a safe way to look around without changing your own data. Take a moment to maximize the window so you can see everything clearly. Along the very top is the menu bar, just beneath it a handy toolbar with common actions, and below that the main workspace. On the left is the Accounts panel, which groups things like checking, savings, cash, credit cards, and more. The center area is where details appear for whatever you select, and a small status area at the bottom summarizes balances and any filters that are currently active. That's all you need to comfortably arrive at the desktop and get oriented. Now let's navigate the app. Click around the Accounts panel to see how the middle area updates. In an account view, you'll see a familiar register-style list with dates, descriptions, categories, amounts, and balances. You can sort by clicking a column header, and you can resize columns to make long descriptions easier to read. Use the date range control or quick filters to narrow what you're seeing, and look for a search box or magnifier icon to find specific transactions quickly. If you hover over icons, tooltips will remind you what each one does, which is helpful while you learn the layout. Explore the main sections accessible from the menu or toolbar. An overview page summarizes balances and recent activity at a glance. Reports or statistics visualize your spending and income trends, so you can spot patterns. A budget area helps you compare planned amounts to what actually happened. Lists such as categories and payees keep your data consistent, and scheduled items give you a calendar-style view of expected activity. As you browse, notice that right-click menus often reveal useful shortcuts without leaving the current screen. If the interface isn't displaying the way you like, open Preferences from the menu to adjust things like currency, date format, decimal separators, language, and which columns are visible. You can also pick a theme that improves contrast or readability. Finally, the Help menu links to documentation and tips, which is a great place to confirm what a button or field is for before you make changes. With these basics, you've successfully reached the HomeBank desktop and learned how to navigate it with confidence.